Hello, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be going over the basics of vector graphics in Scratch. So let's get started. The first tool you'll find in your menu is the Select tool. This tool lets you select multiple shapes or just select one shape. So let's say I have these shapes and I want to move them around. So I can grab them and move them, or I can drag to select multiple ones, like that. The second tool is the Reshape tool. The Reshape tool lets you click on an object and then move around the edges, so you can reformat the shape. The next tool is the Pencil tool. The Pencil tool just lets you draw, and if you're familiar with bitmap, it's like the brush tool. Just hold down to draw, and then here you can change the line width. If you see the little dot at the end, that lets you connect two lines and make them one shape. The next tool is the Line tool. The Line tool lets you draw a straight line from one point to another point, like so. You can attach it onto the edge and it will make it a straight point. If you press shift while drawing a line, it makes it perfectly straight, like so. And you can adjust the width of a line. The fifth tool is the Rectangle tool. It lets you draw a rectangle. You can also select it to draw just the outline of a rectangle. When you're doing that, you can decide how wide the outline is going to be, like so. Next is the Circle tool. You can use it and just drag to create a circle or ellipse. Same thing with the rectangle. You can make it like a hollow circle, and then change the width of the circle. If you press shift while drawing it, it makes a perfect circle, as well as with the Rectangle tool. Next is the Text tool. The Text tool lets you write in text. So if I select it and say, "Hello world," I can write it in the text, draw in the text. For this, you can change the font by going down here and making it whatever font you want. The next tool is the Bucket tool. This lets you fill a shape in with whatever color you have selected. If you go down here, you can change it and make it a gradient, or a whatever this is called, like that. And if you set, it's whatever the second color is what the opposite side of the gradient is. If you set it to blink, it'll make a fade effect like that, which I think is pretty cool. The next tool is the Stamp tool. This lets you duplicate something, so I can just duplicate that. It's pretty simple. And then the last three tools only appear in special circumstances. The next two only appear when you have a shape selected, and it lets you move it forward or backwards. So if you look here, I can move it forward, move it backwards. If you press shift, it sends it to very back. Shift, it sends it front. And that's pretty much it. Last tool is the Group tool. If you select multiple things and press the Group tool, it groups them, so you can just click on this and it's a group. Thanks for watching my vector graphics tutorial in Scratch. Drop a like and subscribe for more Scratch content, and I'll see you next video.